It is day one of EDC. Happy rave day. Well, now it's too late. What the fuck is that song?
Okay.
Stop! No, you're gonna start it. Happy rave day. It is day one. Stop! Almost 9 p.m. we finally made it to the festival. Unfortunately, this is his first time at EDC and I've ruined the entire experience by bringing him as an artist guest. This is his first look when you walk into EDC and you can overlook the entire festival ground.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
This should be the entrance. This is like the best spot. EDC, day one. This is a little bit overwhelming, but yeah, it is the first EDC for me. The view is insane from up here.
The view is viewing.
I have no idea what the next 3 days is gonna be all about, but I'm so fucking excited.
Let's go. Alright, outfit change. I am now in my rave attire. We've been up here taking photos for a hot minute, but we're finally gonna go down and check out the stages and eventually make it over to Wasteland for D-Sturb, who, fun fact, was sitting behind us the whole ride here in the artist shuttle. We're heading down to the crowd. Today I am shooting Soundrush and Hixie. Philip is vlogging me vlog. Well, I'm gonna mount the GoPro onto the cameras and get some sick moment versus the shot footage, and then we are gonna be running around for the rest of the night trying to catch as many artists as we can. Are you ready to see the main stage? I'm about to have a seizure.
Overwhelming, trying to process it. Huge, massive, thousands of people. I don't think that weekend is going to be enough to cover all these areas and the stages. And hiking with a backpack is exercising.
obsessed with. Even though it's $13 for a cup, I'm getting it.
So I was being the most difficult customer she's probably gonna have the entire night today, but basically my request, what I asked her was, of this cup, half to go hot, half to go cold, and also to put some ice in it. No logic, no sense. But we'll leave it here for the books.
After this, we're going to Almond, right?
Straight after? Is he playing straight after?
So, yeah, and then up straight to Lenny and like stay there. We're currently backstage. I just got changed. I just put clothes over my rave outfit. Sound Rush is on in about 30 minutes. And Philip's gonna go out to the crowd with my telephoto and get some photos and videos of me at work.
It's up in the sky and make some noise for Sound Rush! Let me hear ya! From the front to the back! Let me see your hands up, hands up, hands up! This is motherfucking bass gun! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Fucking ready! Jump! Time EDC, we want to hear you screaming the words. It's coming right now. Defcon. EDC, thank you so much for having us!
Hello, how did you find me? Where have you been hiding? I know that you remind me.
This is like the worst part of EDC. If you know, you know. Anyway, we just got pizzas from the artist lounge and I ordered a barbecue chicken with no cilantro and they accidentally made it with cilantro, so They gave it to me for free, so I got 2 pizzas for the price of 1. I love this for us.
If we just can't get it right, then maybe we'll try in another life. If I died in your arms tonight, then maybe I'll see you on the other side. So if we just can't get it right, then maybe we'll try in another life. If I died in your arms tonight, then maybe I'll see you on the other side.
If you want to party, make some fucking noise!
With the rainbows and the unicorns, just bring back the techno. Bring back the techno.
Philip's staying at the trans stage to watch Arian Nilsson because it's one of his favorites, and I'm heading back over to Wasteland. So my watch has died since before I got here. I don't know why I keep checking it, but I'm headed back to Wasteland now, which thankfully isn't too far away, and I'm going to meet up with Hixie and his crew and shoot Hixie at 3:30.
See the reason in your eyes, give an answer to the why. Your eyes are haunting me.
I think this is probably part of the base though. It's 8 AM. We've finally made it back to the room. I'm gonna end the vlog here. So that's a wrap on EDC day 1. I'm wrecked. So is he, clearly. We just had a bit of breakfast and I'm gonna dump all the footage onto my Mac and smash out these photos for Sound Rush and Hixie and then do that. Hope you enjoyed the vlog and stay tuned for day 2. Okay, bye.
Transition.